Pang-apat na gagawin mo para magkaroon ka ng malakas na dating kahit hindi ka pogi is your pacing of your movement. Yung bilis ng galaw mo. So the pace of a man's movement signals his level of control over his own nervous system. Okay? Kapag meron kang control sa nervous system mo, ibig sabihin, you can regulate your emotions well. If you can regulate your emotions well, ibig sabihin, you have complete control over your emotions. Alam naman natin that a man who doesn't have complete control or high control sa emotions niya, ibig sabihin, siya yung kinokontrol ng emotions niya. At kapag ang lalaki ay kinontrol ng emotions niya, yun yung pinakadelikadong klase ng lalaki. A man who cannot control his emotions. Di ba kayo nagtataka sa mga news, di ba? Kapag tuwing nagkakaroon ng karumal-dumal na krimen ng isang lalaki, usually ang sinasabi nila, di ko po na-control yung emotion ko. Nadala lang po ako ng emotion ko. So see how dangerous that man is? Again, women are looking for a man. They are looking for a man who is safe, secure, na feel nila safe sila, na kaya silang protektahan. A man who cannot control his emotions is delikado sa lahat. Magiging delikado sa lahat.